Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's breaking news. Yes, University of Sydney researchers have shown it is possible to shield plants from the hungry mouths of herbivorous mammals by filling them with the smell of a variety they typically avoid. Findings from the study published in Nature, Ecology and Evolution show tree seedlings planted next to the decoy smell solution were 20 times less likely to be eaten by animals. This is equivalent to the seedlings being surrounded by actual plants that are unpalatable to the herbivore. In most cases, it does trick the animals into leaving the plants alone, said PhD student Patrick Finnerty, the studies led author from the School of Life and Environmental Sciences, Behavioral Ecology and Conservation Lab. Yeah, herbivores cause significant damage to valuable plants in ecological and economically sensitive areas worldwide, but killing the animals to protect the plants can be unethical, say. So we created artificial odors that mimicked the smell of plant species they naturally avoid, and this gently nudged problematic herbivores away from areas we didn't want them to be. Given that many herbivores use plant odor as their primary sense to forage, this method provides a new approach that could be used to help protect valued plants globally, either in conservation work or protecting agricultural crops. The experiment conducted in Ku-ring-gai Chas National Park in Sydney used the swamp wallaby as a model herbivore. The researchers selected an unpalatable shrub in the Citrus family, Boronia pinnata, and a palatable canopy species, Eucalyptus punctata, to test the conserve. The study computed using B. pinnata solution and the real plant and found both were equally successful at protecting eucalypt seedlings from being eaten by wallabies. As part of his doctoral research, Mr. Finnerty has also tested the method successfully with African elephants, but the fieldwork does not form part of this research paper. Previous attempts to use repellent substances such as chili oil or motor oil to control animal consumption of plants have inherent limitations, Mr. Finnerty said. Yeah, animals tend to habituate to these unnatural cues, and so deterrent effects are only temporary. He said, by contrast, by mimicking the smell of plants, herbivores naturally encounter. Yeah, also, and avoid in day-to-day foraging. Our approach works with the natural motivators of these animals, with herbivores are less likely to habituate to this smell. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.